wage their battle to destroy the evil forces of the Decepticons, the Transformers. Robots in disguise, the Transformers. More than meets the eye, the Transformers.
Oh, guard duty again. Why does Megatron insist on me doing guard duty? This is so deplorable. What? What is that? Looks like I got some Autobots. Transform! Just as I suspected, an Autobot raiding company. Die, Autobot!
Damn it, that damn Decepticon's got us. I can't read win Optimus Prime. Everybody, move back!
Yes, of course you can't radio into your HQ. I've already disabled your communication devices. Now it's only a matter of time until the Decepticons arrive and melt you into slag.
Not if I have anything to say about it. It's over, Blastgate. You might as well just give up.
A Decepticon never gives up. You filthy Autobot, take this!
You will not win. No one can defeat the might of Beta Prime.
Oh, give it up already, you old piece of junk. I've already defeated you, and once I contact my leader, Megatron, he will reward me greatly. In the next thrilling episode of The Transformers, what will Beta Prime do? Will the Autobots come to his rescue, or will he just be destroyed? Tune in next time to the next episode of The Transformers.